Samsung mobile. Any Samsung phone or Samsung device. Emergency call problem. Very easy solution. 2G not work, 3G or 4G not work. Easy solution. First, emergency call only. First go to setting, then select SIM card. So SIM card OK. Then mobile network 2G only, all selected all 2G, 3G or 4G. Then not work. Then flight mode or aeroplane mode and OK. Check the device, not work. Then go to reset network setting. Reset network setting or factory setting. Network setting is OK. Back. Then reboot the device or restart. Then wait 1 minute. After ready to device. This phone is Samsung Galaxy A51. Samsung all model work method this tips. Example Samsung A10, A01, A012, M01, M02, 4G, 3G not work. Easy solution. For emergency call, no service. A20, A50, A51, A52, A70, A71, all Samsung device, no service, emergency call. Very easy solution. Now wait and see. Few seconds wait. Okay. Come to network. Come. All model, same system. Okay, bye.